Okay, so for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm gonna chain 20. This is not the number of any project, it's just a number to show you how to make this stitch or pattern. Okay, so on the second chain from the hook here, I'm gonna put my hook and pull through, and then with 2 loops on my hook, I'm gonna go into the next chain and do the same thing, pull through, into the next chain, I'm gonna do the same, chain. I'm gonna do the same thing. So I've got 4 loops in my hook, and I'm gonna pull through all and chain 1. So that's what we're gonna do throughout this row. Into the same chain, I'm gonna insert my hook, pull through, I'll go to the next chain and do the same, and the next chain and do the same. Again, I've got 4 loops on my hook, I'll pull through, and then I'll chain 1. So I should always have 4 loops in my hook before I pull through all. Into the same chain where I did my, let's say, puff, insert my hook, pull through, the next chain, and the next chain. Very easy to do. Pull through and chain 1. I'll keep repeating the same thing. 1, 2, 3, and 4 loops on my hook, and chain 1. 1, 2, and the last one, 3, pull through all, and chain 1. So last we have chain 1, and then I'll add another chain 1, and then I'll turn my work. So now here, right here, I will do 1 single crochet, and I will repeat the same what I did in the first row. So I'll insert my hook in the same stitch and pull my yarn, and then I'll go to the next stitch and do the same, and go to the next stitch. Some of the stitches might be a little tight, so okay, and pull. Now again, I've got 4 loops on my hook, I'll pull through, chain 1, and do the same stitch, pull through, the next stitch, pull through, and the next stitch. Okay, that was the chain 1, and pull through, and then pull through all, chain 1. Again, same. So I will continue the same throughout the row, and in every row basically is the same. You're gonna chain 2 and start your row by doing a single crochet and working your trinity stitch. Chain 1, 1, 2, okay, 3, okay, So I will continue doing the same until the end of my project, and that's how you do the trinity stitch. Oops. Chain one. So I hope that was easy to follow and was clear how to make it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.